Hello, good evening. I'm here at Mia Park, near beside the at the ano ganyan dating in Katwanta? Beside the culture arts. Drum na dating. Here beside that culture museum, mga kajukrads, I'm here at Mina Park, walking around here. This building is the culture museum of Doha, Qatar. I'm still walking here, and that building, that is a corner. Yesterday going there. I'm here to take a walk at Mia Park. Ari masanag diyo kay malibot ko diyo. Yes. I'm just strolling around at Mia Park beside of Culture Arts Museum. Here. Walking around here is the seaside of the Folk Arts Museum. As this Kawalwal Roning is running. Kawalwal Rosinda is here. O Tiki, run, Samson, run. Ara si Kawalwal Roning is running half lanes, 2 lanes.
There, I think, no?
Oh, dito no?
Here, there's the museum.
Ayun nga, doon no.
Ang tubig ko, butang na.
Puno na di may tubig ko di. Daw mabugto na
Tanda
yun.
sa bulsa taga mo.
Daw mabugto na niya. Ari hindi ka pati lipstick. Hi. Ara waswasir Kawalwal Roning, nagadalagan siya, hindi mo mabalaan kung galakat o gadalagan. Kasunod si Kawalwal Rosinda. Ha? Ari diyo, nami diyo. Malibot ta diyo. Direta nga sa ido. Ting. Direta nga sa. Mi. Oh, si Felix the cat is here. Kuda ko ting ako ring ha. Ting. Kuda ko ako ring ha. Oh, kuda ko ako ring.
Hello, baby! Hello! He's huge. You go to burrito and you buy burrito.
Yeah.
He's huge.
May lahi yan.
You will go to burrito and you just...
Kami, me. Ah, daw tiger sa. Daw tiger. Here. I'm take a walk here beside the seaside near at the Folk Arts Culture Center.
Hello!
Kay Kawalwal Roning. Ami, oh, si Karen, ari ang asawa niya. Si Karen. Mimi. Ay, nagasabat
Your
sa.
classmate is there. Your
Mimi, Karin.
sakto gid man ko na kung gusto ka dumagan sa no.
Karin.
Karing. Uy, laro na sa. Uy. Uy. I want karing.
Bango ito pagidong isa. Me. A lot of Arabic cat here. Ming. Ming. Ting. Hali kayo. May good news ako. May good news ako sa inyo.
Sige.
Hali kayo. May good news ako sa inyo.
There is white.
Nakita nyo yan? Kakainanan.
May potato doon may kago.
Nga. Ha?
Whitey. Let's go there. Let's go where the food is. Nice. Tama na.
Ayan si Kawalwal Runing. Gabuktot.
Ayaw ba? Gani. Kaya kita ni Kuya pagod tayo.
Run! Kawalwal Runing is running.
There is food.
Karon lang na ang pod. Mag-exercise na. Igo lang na karon mag-close.
Food are here.
Here.
Food are there. We saw food.
Ting nami din biyogan nito Oh, wow. Diri ka mo tingo. Diri kay mo. Here. Culture arts na di. Ang kata na ligad to to. Oo. Araw. Sa ano? Gallery ana. Libuton ta nito, labot na tatoting sa city center. Ito Cornice. Labot, lapos na sa Cornice. Yo. Nga, hindi tatawa. Dari ta ang side ting dari Dari. Ara na si Kawalwal Runing kag si Kawalwal Sinda, hindi mo balaan kung nagalupad o nagadalagan. Was is running and take a walk beside at a seaside at Mia Park near at Culture Center. Ting, ting, nami di magpamunit gali magdalatas ang fishing, oh. Dire? Pwede diya, pwede diya, wala diya mga bata mo.
We're good there.
Hindi ah.
In the
Hindi.
fountain.
Hindi na.
The fountain are there.
Ano, ano,
This you will see.
ano.
No, we're going back. It's very well.
Kami See, look at all the bonsai tree here. Nga,
Oh my God, they lusong the...
nagmiilating bonsai tree, oh. Ha?
Oh, ginalusong niya. Dati, sa sila sinirangan. It's not allowed.
Uy, na sila yagalusong. Na, dito ta. Direta nga side, oh. Na. Nating. Masarap mag-walking dito ka Jokrats. Libre ka na dito lahat, pati pagkain, tubig, mag-walking ka, walang problema. Lahat dito libre. Walang tax. Pati bahay libre. Pati trabaho libre. Ngeteng. Yan si Kawalwar Rosinda kag si Kawalwar ni. Look at the nice view, Ting. Dito to sa ibabaw namin itong view to. Sa Dow Mountain. Yes. You not see me? Yan oh, the bukid-bukid dito kay man oh, kitaon to. Dito, oh, dito. Dika Ting, Ding. Dito. Look at a lot of dates tree, the national tree of Qatar. Here I'm going here at the hilltop. I'm going here at the hilltop. I want to see the most beautiful view, all the building at Cornets here, together with Kawalwal Roning and Kawalwal Rosinda.
Na mamadalagan ta.
Ah.
No, my mother.
Is oh, Gasumpit si Kawalwal Ruling. Kakasumpit siya. Gasumpit siya. Kay naka-rubber siya. I'm coming here at the hilltop so that I want to show all the beautiful view building here at Cornish. Yesterday I'm going there at Cornish. Today I'm here at Mia Park beside Agriculture Park Museum. Yes. Yesterday I'm there. Was there with the boat ride. See.
Baho sila, no? Nag-ano na, no? Not from the water, not from the... Ano,
Here. Basi makasandad tas ang pakakakupa. Na, kaya basi makatapak tadi sa pakangagakupa. Okay, I want to make it drink karak or coffee first. Okay, bye bye Kajokrats, see you next again. I will make a tea first. Bye bye, don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye. Hello, good evening mga Kajokrats, welcome back to my vlog. I'm here at the seaside view at Mia Park. A lot of people here sitting and they making date. Warning. Ding, ano ka mo? Popcorn? I'm here at Mia Park Cafe. I want to drinks. I want to buy some drinks. Here. I want to buy some coffee. Look at this beautiful park at Mia. To the other left side of the view here, mga kajukrats. I want to show you the seaside view at Culture Arts and Culture Arts Museum here. That is the Culture Art Museum building. See this if you want to refresh yourself, come here at Mia Park. It's a very nice. Here you can relax if you want to fishing, walking. So it is a very nice place here. You can unwind yourself here. You can relax here. You can breathe here nicely and fresh air. Away from polluted car. It's very nice here at Mia Park. Look at a lot of dates fruit. It's like a coconut tree. This is the dates tree, dates fruit. This is the national fruit tree of Qatar. I'm waiting for Kawalwal Roning and Kawalwal Rosinda. She buying some ice cream there.
एक दिन नहीं पाया था ना, बड़ा दर्द कर रहा था।
Yeah. Good.
आखिरी दुनिया के
Sana si Kawalwal Roning. Tagal nila. Umupo siguro sila doon, mga kajukrats. Balikan muna natin sila. It's a pat sa poklolo. Hello. Miming. See a lot of Arabic cat here mga kajokras. See